Hello lovelies, let me show you guys how to make a very low budget native soup. Please go ahead and use any protein of choice, okay? Don't stress yourself. Watch and enjoy. So guys, at this point, you can actually put your four and finish up. Yeah, but I decided to put water because I need more miriofe. It's your choice, okay? So either you go ahead, put your four and finish up, or you add more water so that you can be able to have more soup and put your four. Yeah, either way, you are so good. And the ofo I'm using is a very fresh one. I don't use already blended dried ofo. I don't know why I don't like it. I prefer going for the one in the water, and they will just blend this for me. Honestly, the taste is different. Try it. So now I'm going to put the second bag of pepper. Crayfish. Small. If you're a lover of crayfish, please go ahead and sprinkle a little bit of crayfish, or you could rather not. I also added some Cameroon pepper. Honestly, Cameroon pepper and yellow pepper, they are the banger in any native soup. I'm telling you, try it. I use them in all my native soups. Cameroon pepper, yellow pepper, they are the secret ingredient to any native soup. So would you be trying this low budget native soup?